Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing video is something very exciting. Ta-da! It is a COVID-19 antigen self-test. I haven't tried this before, so I'm really excited to do this with you guys today. So I'm gonna open it up. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, so what do we have? I think that's everything. We have the instruction manual, very important. Very big. And the swab. Yes, we have this thing. What is the instruction? The test card, that's what it's called. And we have a dropper. Nice. So, I'm taking my COVID test today. So the first thing they say to do is wash or sanitize your hands. Make sure they are dry before starting. All right, I have my sink bag here. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm making sure they are dry because I follow the instructions to a T. Right. There are lots of red exclamation points on here. Apparently, because people usually do it wrong. I'm one of those people. Do not touch any parts on the inside. Handle card only by edges. Card must stay flat on table for entire test. All right, so I'm opening up my test. Ooh, I wonder what color it's going to be. Just kidding, they're all the same. Oh my gosh, pink is my favorite color. I'm so funny. Oh, and it comes with a little complimentary desiccant. Wow, I'm gonna save this. Right, so I have my test card here. I'm going to lay it flat on the table for the entire test. Laying that flat. And then it says, the card must stay flat on the table for the entire test. Make sure the blue control line is present in the results window. If a blue line is not present, do not use this card. So yes, it is present on the control window. Open card flat on table. You must bend the spine in opposite direction to help the card lay flat. Okay, so I'm bending it so it can lay flat. They're very comprehensive with the instructions. Remove dropper bottle tab. Okay, the dropper is here. Hold dropper straight over top hole, not at an angle. Put 6 drops into the top hole. Do not touch the card with the tip. Okay? So I'm just going to drop 6 drops into the top hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You guys can't see, so I'll move you guys closer so you can see the process. Okay. The next instructions. Open the swab package at stick end. Take the swab out. Swab both nostrils carefully as shown. Insert the entire soft tip of the nostril into a nostril, usually 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. You do not need to go deeper. Using medium pressure, rub the swab inside against all of your inside walls of your nostril. Make at least 5 big circles. Do not spin the swab. Each nostril must be swabbed for about 16 seconds. Okay, I'm going to pull up my timer now. Oh, I'm so scared. Ooh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's only 7 seconds. I'm crying. Ugh. 15 seconds. Stop. Reset. Use the same swab. Repeat. Step 5 in your other nostril. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 50 seconds yet. I'm crying. Ugh. Okay. Insert swab tip into bottom hole. Firmly push the swab tip from the bottom hole until it is visible in the top hole. Do not remove the swab from the card. Oh, okay. So I put it into the small hole here, and then I'm going to push it up so it's inside the top hole. Turn swab to right 3 times and mix the swab with the drops. Okay, I'm turning it 1, 2, 3. Leave the swab in the card for the remainder of the test. Do not remove swab. Peel adhesive liner off. Be careful not to touch other parts of the card. Okay, I'm removing this liner off. Close left side of card over swab. Press firmly on the 2 lines on right edge of card to seal. Keep card face up on the table. Okay, so I'm gonna close this card now. Close it, and I'm gonna press it to seal. Wait 15 minutes. Do not read the results before 15 minutes or after 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna set a timer for 15 minutes. And I will see my results and we can interpret it together. So see you then. And we're back with check ears, glasses, a night guard, and a nice lisp that comes with it. But shh, it's okay. But it's finally time to check the results of the COVID test. So here it says, let me hold it up for you guys too. Right? It says, find result window and look carefully for 2 pink or purple lines. A positive result is if I see 2 pink or purple lines, one on the top and one on the bottom. This means COVID-19 was detected. Look very closely. The bottom line can be very faint. Okay. Check for a negative COVID-19 result. Find result window and look for a single pink or purple line in window. Okay, so only 1 line. So, this is my test. Are you guys ready? It's like a gender reveal. Is it COVID or not COVID? Just kidding, really bad joke. Bad joke. It's a boy! Oh, I spun it too hard. It's a girl! Just kidding, it's negative! Dun dun dun! Cute! Celebratory music! Celebration time, come on! The whip. All right, thank you so much for joining me for my COVID-19 antigen self-test unboxing and try-on. If you want to see more videos like this, then let me know in the comments. And I will probably be doing another one soon anyways, because I'm going to have to retest myself. But thanks again for watching, everybody. Goodbye.